Hi, I'm Tyler with Quality Water Treatment. Real quick, we wanted to talk to you about the chlorine that we found in your drinking water. What chlorine is and the good and bad of chlorine. Most people recognize chlorine as a disinfectant used to treat pool water. We all know what it smells like. It has that distinctive, harsh odor, and too much of it will irritate your skin. Why is chlorine added to your water? Well, the idea of adding chlorine to public drinking water systems first gained traction around the end of the 19th century. So it's been around for some time now. People have long battled a variety of ailments that were spread through drinking water, including diseases such as cholera, dysentery, and typhoid. Scientists recognized that adding chlorine in small amounts to drinking water would kill bacteria microbes in the public water drinking system to help slow and prevent waterborne diseases. Chlorine proved to be successful, and adding chlorine to water supplies became popular very quickly. It's found its place in local water systems across the United States and especially in the US military. Chlorination is now the most common water disinfection method worldwide, particularly in the US where it is heavily used. So, the good of chlorine use is that it is very effective to prevent dangerous waterborne diseases. On the other hand, there are some harmful effects that we need to be cautious about for you and your family. You wouldn't normally drink the pool water, would you? Obviously, the smell and taste of chlorinated pool water is absolutely no good. So, why drink chlorinated tap water from your tap? It really doesn't make any sense. According to the Environmental Protection Agency, or the EPA, people in America now consume 300 to 600 times in excess of the amount of chlorine that is safe to ingest. While waterborne diseases are prevented, now we need to watch out for ingesting too much chlorine. So why is chlorine in drinking water so unhealthy and harmful? Because when chlorine mixes with even just a small amount of organic compounds that are commonly present in water, this produces harmful byproducts called trihalomethane gases, or THMs. These THMs byproducts create free radicals in the body, which trigger cell damage and are highly carcinogenic. This is not a good thing for your body's cellular regeneration. Extensive studies show that excessive chlorine ingestion can be linked to a wide range of ailments, including various cancers, reproductive problems, immune system, and heart attacks. This attacks your gut flora and immune system, which makes sense because chlorine kills bacteria, and your gut flora needs a healthy balance of proper bacteria. While disinfecting your water is a modern marvel, the next logical step is to filter the water to make it safe and healthy for you and your family. And the good news is that there is an easy way to remove the chlorine, not just from your drinking water, but from your whole house. And as we like to say, buy a filter or be a filter. For more information, visit us at qualitywatertreatment.com or talk with our team members.